So let's install the pressure hose. So we got the brand new pressure hose over here. The problem is that we couldn't split it onto two. As you can see, this is one piece. So I'm gonna install it down here. I'm gonna try to install it over here. So again, this is the installation part for 08 Hyundai Veracruz. I don't know if I could show it to you because, oh boy, hold on. So look at this. Hold on. I'm gonna show you where it goes. So that's where we remove that pressure hose, then it goes all the way here. You're gonna pass this exhaust pipe, and then you're gonna put it in here going up. So that's how we're gonna do it. I'm not gonna show you how to put it on anymore because I need my two hands. Okay, and I'm still gonna figuring out how I'm gonna install it, but it seems like that's my plan. So from here going in here, I think. Yeah. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, so I just want to show you how we put it on. So there you go. So what I did is like I put there, how I'm gonna say it, like put them together, this one and then this, like make it one, and then insert it over here, and this one goes over there. Let's see how it goes. So many try. Let's see if this will gonna work. Alright, so I'm really struggling to put this on, but what I discovered is because of this, you know, this makes our job become hard, because this always keep on, you know, touching something in there. So we're going to remove this one. Yeah, but anyway, this one is easily to put it back on. So let's remove that. This one too. It's number 10. Alright, so we did remove the bracket in here, and also I think over here, because that's what, you know, obstruct this pressure hose to get in. Okay, so let's try if it will go. Okay. Alright, so I think my plan worked out. So after I remove those two brackets, now the hose went through freely without obstruction. Yes. Alright, we're just gonna push this Okay, nice. So again, there's also an o-ring right there, so don't forget that small o-ring. And then there you go, and I fold this. Now I just need to push it. Alright guys, it's in. Very successful. Look at that. So the technique is remove the bracket. I should do that a long time ago. But anyway, it's my first time to put this on. Just figure it out, and you can do it. We can do it. There you go. Alright, it's already on. Alright, so now let's put back the bracket. So let's copy the old one. So that's how it goes. So it goes like this. So that's the bracket right there. Hold on. Hold on. Do you see it? Come on, come on, there you go. So how it goes like this. If you could see it. So like that. Okay. So goes like this. Come on. Yeah. Like that. Come on, come on. Okay. Nice. And then like this. Like that. Okay. Okay. Like that. Sit. Okay, I already installed the power steering line, so everything is connected, and I did put temporarily a conventional power steering fluid right here. So now let's start the car and let's see if there's a leak. Alright, let's start it. Uh-oh. Alright, so let's go check if there is a leak. So by the way, we did use Bristol power steering. Need to add more. Alright. Nice. There's no leak. There's no leak. Now let's try to turn it. There you go. Alright. Wow, it's so smooth. Nice. Alright. Like you could see. Nope. So there you go. There's no leak. Alright. That's it. Done.